Hey Chris, I'm out here in Megan's Landing looking at one of the two homes that we're going to look at right now. Um, this one is on a cul-de-sac, and this one right here is going to be the one with the biggest backyard out of the two that we're going to see. It's going to end over there where the black net is over there. So that is a really good ways away from where I am currently standing. I've still got another 30 feet to go, or probably 30 to 40 feet, and I'm about 30 or so feet from the house. So it's a total of 150 foot deep lot, and it's 50 feet wide. So you're still gonna have a good amount of space on the sides, but the back, this is definitely a huge lot. It's got a covered patio here. Goes in, some 8-foot doors. And so we're kind of starting from the back on this one versus the front, because the front isn't done either way. But I think this is going to give us a good visualization of the floor plan either way. So walking into the kitchen here, we've got 3 picture windows there. That's awesome to note. Very, very high ceilings. Living room. And so we've got 3 picture windows giving light to the living room, and we've got 2 picture windows in the kitchen that, the stove with the range will be in the middle with a bunch more cabinets all around, an island. Got a pantry right there. And we've got a pretty nice wide foyer coming in from the entrance of the home. That is pretty nice, but before looking at that, let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. Got a total of 2 windows. Ceiling looks very, very nice. The bathroom, instead of the tub and shower combo, they opted to just make this cool walk-in shower. And it's gonna have the water pouring up from the top there. The option to do that. Actually, it's gonna come with that. 3 picture windows, very stylish picture windows here, and there will be a glass door here, so it's going to give a lot of light to the bathroom. And here we've got double vanity, toilet, and walk-in closet. It's really hard to visualize, I'm sure, without all the cabinets and flooring and all that, the doors. But this is a really cool layout. We've got the study here, got some picture windows again, 3 up top, which is really cool. And very spacious study here. We've got 1 bedroom with almost its own ensuite here. It's bathroom. This is going to be the bathroom that everybody else that's in the house is going to use, with a tub shower. But it's kind of like it's the own personal bathroom of this bedroom right here. Really nicely made. This one goes out. Study. That's the entrance from the garage. This is the main entrance here. So this is what the entrance foyer really will look like. There we go. Got a little niche there for art, decor, and into this hallway we've got a shared bathroom that these two bedrooms are going to use, so, and a linen closet here as well. Got this bedroom, there's a closet space here, bathroom, and the bedroom facing the front of the house with nice windows there. Another closet. It's really nice, the ceilings and all that. But it's got really good design. Ashton Woods has really good design on their floor plans. 8-foot entrance door. That won't be the final door. And this is the entrance from the garage. We've got a little space nook here for a mudroom, kind of a bench coming in from the garage. You can take off your shoes, hang coats, and the utility room. Washer and dryer there. This is the garage. 2-car garage, and it's got an extra little space here for extra storage, all that good stuff. Plumbed for the water softener. Water heater will be right here. And this will be the front of the house. They've got the brick and all that other stuff. I think on the bottom it's going to be stone, but I'll double check on that. The sales rep is going to send me some pictures of how the final design front of the house is going to look. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this one. I forgot the name of the floor plan of this one, but I'll include it in the title of the video, and definitely let you know all that. But yeah, this one is going to be with the longest backyard, so it's going to be 50 feet in the front and a 50-foot wide lot, 150 feet deep, all the way out there. And yeah, let me just walk back here just to give you yeah. Yep.